Big DOA, nigga. Gra, 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 gra. Like, gra.
Alright, so break it down for the viewers right now, man.
We T-minus 3 hours till we go up. But yeah, I'm excited, bro. It's a good outcome. It's like there's a lot of people here showing love, you know, so.
Mad love, mad love.
We just waiting patiently, bro.
Patiently.
Hot as fuck.
How hot is it right now in Las Vegas? Estimated.
110. Still got like 5 more categories.
5 more categories?
They're really on the second one. There's like 8.
Explain how Young J could have had a 5 performance though.
Oh yeah, get on that. Who wants some $80 bucks?
Dyed his hair, and then sprayed that one. I gotta do that.
Yeah, Brad, just turn around and that shit was They ain't ready for what we have in the bag, though, bro. They're not ready.
They're not fucking ready. We're about to go crazy right now, bro. You don't
Gotta be the
understand,
hottest cut in the city.
Dude, it's so hot because we're here. You feel me?
Yeah, that's really what it is.
That's why.
Everybody's co-signing Tigre. They saying Tigre is the next hottest artist in the city. Hey, boys.
Bro, we still got like 4 categories.
I like your haircut.
From out here?
Huh?
From out here?
I'm from Fresno. Oh, slick face.
Crazy or what? Runs out here cutting his ring. Very rare. Very rare.
Outside the glove.
Outside the glove. Outside the glove.
Outside of
Brick.
California. So I'm excited to see what you guys are about to do, man. Yeah, they killed it. They brought a lot of creativity. Sometimes.
Yeah, honestly, we just came out here to show out. We came out here from Cali, so we're gonna go do our best, and you know, we're about to go crazy. Try to put you guys on the show.
Do what you guys got, man. They came all the way from California.
Oh yeah.
And I know you guys got that corrido tumbado look right now, bro. Like, con los lentes y todo. Fuck it. Are you guys gonna kill with the glasses?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right.
Go with the glasses, just.
You guys too.
Good luck to you guys, man. Shout out to ChuyBlendz and SABOTAGE. Make some noise, guys. We lost the ball another team.
Alright, game time, game time, game time.
It's time, baby.
Here, we about to start, bro.
Yeah, super thin. I feel that.
There we go. Clean his ass up. This is that shit. Where's this teammate?
This is the teammate right here.
What are you doing? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I haven't even looked. Hey, man, you know what we doing out here?
Shit, then delete it. I'ma pull it with a fake watch, give me a second, then to go to lean. You know I'm overtime, baby. You know I'm holding mine, baby. You ain't gotta worry about no cycle. We gon' fold them out, baby. You hold, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Goddamn, I'm loving your fragrance. Told that bitch adios in Vegas. Bad bitch, that ass is Jamaican. Oh, I ain't lying, you got me in dreams. Got me a fiend. I would do anything, anything. Oh, and you lucky a hoe and I can't.
This is Young Jay checking in. I'm just saying, questionable sabotage. My guys are slipping, sliding, police driving. I mean, no other barber's gonna slip like this. I'm just stating the obvious. They pay you to do this?
I wish.
Dang, did they pay you to sabotage ChuyBlendz? No, bruh. Don't tell me it's so. Don't tell me it's so. Ain't shit to talk about. Finish line with the no cap on right now. Finish line with the no cap on. Hit a quick spin, son. Quick spin, quick spin. Hey. Good shit, y'all. Alright, go to the stage real quick. They want y'all up there, they want y'all up there. Good shit though, y'all handled that shit. Handled that, sonny. Great. Oh shit. Woo. Crazy. Good shit, man. What are we feeling like? Shades is back on.
That's what we're doing, bro. We ain't playing with these motherfuckers.
How political are we getting?
I can already hear it.
How political are we getting right now?
1,000% political.
If it gets political, I'm getting physical. That's the thing, though.
It's political for sure.
If it gets political, I'm getting physical, though. Is it getting political or is it getting physical?
Man, let me tell you something. It's getting a whole lot of everything. You see what's in my cup? This tequila and watermelon juice because I'm really black, but fuck with my Mexicans, we all the same. You know?
Right, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. See, somebody gets it. They don't get it. That's another Vegas native.
They just say we heard about it.
We're down bad. We're down bad on the fucking.
We're down two.
Down two sports bets.
We down 2 in sports bets.
We down 2 in sports bets right now. Fuck. This is bad.
It's looking bad for the homies.
Yeah. They said it was a free payout at $250, but we ain't getting that $250 though.
You about to cry. excited.
Know about it? You know what I'm saying? Right here.
It's really, really close.
It's right here. It can't be that close.
All the members of the tag team right here in the front.
Nah, they gotta make it political. They finna make it political. They finna hit him with the, everybody did a great job.
Hey, look, if you don't know now, but look, get you some of these shorts right here, bro.
Okay.
Otherwise known as the Hoochie Daddy shorts.
The Hoochie Daddy shorts.
They know.
Oh, they.
I'm just trying to go drink.
Need a ginormous bebida.
I just smoke a fucking fat ass wood after this.
How you feel about having the dopest haircut here, though?
Shit, it's hard.
You hear that?
I don't know the pressure I'm used to right now.
Yeah. I mean, if I had the haircut, I would feel pretty drippy too.
Come on, so.
Let's get it, man. Let's see it.
Attention to the details. Irritation to skin, that was another one. I see some people irritated the skin. Some people overdid it. They forgot about the sharpness.
Sí, de que nada fue una de las categorías mucho más difíciles. Si se dieron cuenta, los jueces estuvieron atrás, estuvieron inhalando entre ellos a ver cuál era el mejor corte. Y fue una tarea bien difícil para él. Yo no sé cuál es el resultado, sinceramente. Lo van a decir aquí ahora. Y esperemos que el que gane este galardón esté bien contento, porque la verdad que fue muy difícil y todos son campeones, caballero. Aquí todos son campeones. Todos los que han venido aquí son guerreros de verdad.
Hopefully you guys can see what we see. Real recognize real. At the end of the day, we're all professionals. We all know about the difference between the great and the good haircut. I love this. So for the first place of the tag team goes. Okay, ¿qué dicen? The twins.
You don't fly out to another state and hope to win the politics game, because you don't win the politics game. But it's good though. We show love. We always show love. But at the end of the day, we out of this bitch, man. Let's get the fuck up out of here.
You know, hopefully, guys.
It's what, like day three. Day 3. Update. Jay just got back. Still drunk as fuck.
The next day.
Copy your drip. You didn't win? No.
What would you call that, Jake?
Stop fucking around with that. First degree murder.
That's called first degree robbery.
Stop fucking around.
You have a message to the Las Vegas Barber Committee that allowed that to happen?
AKA Herbie. What's his name? Furby.
Furby, man. I don't know who that is, but he fucking up.
Mr. Furb.
All I'm saying is, came to Vegas, took a fat L.
Major L.
Major L. And then I lost like 300 at the same time. Like, what the fuck? But we're about to get some grub today, and we don't take off till 7. It's barely 12, so I don't know what we're gonna do.
You gotta do something.
We gotta do something. I'm trying to eat food, man. Let's go get some mimosas. The people that won first place
Are the sons
of the shop owner who also was a judge. So that shit was rigged up the ass. No cap, bro.
slightly political.
Super political. Like, what the fuck? Alright. We off to the airport. It was a many trip. No, it wasn't. We didn't do shit. But, and we took an L.
And you lost at the casino.
I should have just knocked in.
Yeah, this was definitely a waste of time and money, but
Hey, at the end of the day,
It was an experience.
Exactly. And you know, we learned from it, but we still we still had a good time.
Shout out to barbers that show love, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
We know we won.
Yeah, most definitely.
Most definitely won. One more time.
Damn, that's just the. You know, he took 6 showers already. He just came out the pool.
He came out the pool.
He just came out the pool.
it's still looking like this.
I want you to see this because they said enhancements. Y'all talking crazy about the enhancements. Look at this shit.
Zero.
That's no enhancements. That's crazy talk.
That's crazy.
Let's just say Vegas, we finna double back, and we really.
Next year we back and we're taking it for sure.
And we judging. We're not even taking. Oh.